Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account details and KYC. This speeds processing. Use YONO or SBI Internet Banking to request a check leaf. Choose regular or personalized and select quantity. Once done, enter delivery address and verify name exactly as on account to avoid rejection. If applying at a branch, fill the check requisition slip and hand your ID. The clerk will stamp it. Make sure to keep transaction reference or receipt for tracking and follow next steps for approval. Next, SBI verifies your identity and account standing. This prevents fraud and ensures correct name printing. If online, the bank uses saved KYC. If in branch, your sign slip and ID are cross-checked. You will be informed of any applicable charges. Some salary or premium accounts include free leaves, so confirm your tariff. Once approved, the checkbook is printed and dispatched. Expect 3 to 7 business days. Make sure to note the courier tracking number for delivery monitoring. When your checkbook arrives, open it in front of the courier or bank staff if possible. Count leaves and verify folio numbers to ensure completeness. You should also sign the specimen leaf if requested. Banks use this for signature verification. Use black or blue ink for all checks and avoid alterations. Tampering can cause rejection. If anything is missing or incorrect, contact your branch immediately with the requisition receipt and ID. This accelerates resolution and prevents misuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.